A beautiful garden doesn't have to cost a fortune. In fact, some of the most charming spaces are built with almost nothing at all. Today I'm sharing 15 cheap, creative garden ideas that are not only easy on your wallet, but full of warmth, soul, and personal style. These ideas take ordinary, overlooked items and turn them into something magical, because in a timeless garden, we don't throw things away, we give them new purpose. Whether you're working with a tiny patio or a wide backyard, there's something here for everyone. Simple, affordable ways to reuse, decorate, and bring new life to your space. If you're returning, welcome back, my love. And if you're new here, I'm so glad you're joining us. This channel is all about gardening, with intention, creativity, and care. Here we grow beauty, not just from the ground, but from the heart. So go ahead and tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because your dream garden is just a few sweet ideas away. Shall we begin? Idea 1. Turn old kitchen colanders into hanging planters. Got an old metal colander hiding in your kitchen cupboard? Don't toss it, hang it. Those tiny drainage holes make colanders perfect for turning into hanging planters. Just add a bit of cocoa liner or fabric inside, fill it with soil, and plant your favorite trailing flowers. Think petunias, nasturtiums, or even strawberries. Use rope, twine, or an old chain to hang it from a tree branch, pergola, or balcony hook. It adds color, texture, and a sweet splash of personality. And best of all, it costs next to nothing. Colanders are easy to find at thrift stores, or even yard sales, and they bring just the right amount of quirky charm to any garden space. Idea 2. Repurpose tin food cans into herb holders. Those empty tin cans from last night's dinner, don't throw them out. They're the perfect size for a sweet little herb garden. Give them a quick rinse, peel off the labels, and you've got instant mini planters. You can leave them raw for a rustic industrial look, or paint them in soft garden colors, like sage green, blush pink, or ivory. Punch a few holes in the bottom. For drainage, add some soil, and plant herbs like basil, thyme, or parsley. Line them up on a sunny windowsill, garden shelf, or even nail them to a wooden fence for a vertical herb wall. It's cheap, cheerful, and brings both beauty and function to your space. All from something you already have at home. Idea 3. Use broken terracotta pots as decorative plant markers. Cracked or chipped terracotta pots don't need to be tossed. They can become beautiful, handmade plant markers. Just break the pot into large curved shards and write the names of your plants on them, using a permanent marker or paint pen. Place the labeled shards into the soil, next to your herbs, vegetables, or flowers. They add a warm, earthy look to your garden beds, and make it easy to identify what you've planted, especially useful for new seedlings. It's a clever way to reuse what's broken, and give your garden a handcrafted, personalized touch, without spending a single cent. Idea 4. Turn old picture frames into mini vertical gardens. If you have old picture frames lying around, even the ones without glass or backing, they can be transformed into beautiful vertical garden pieces. Simply staple some chicken wire or mesh across the back of the frame, and you've got a stylish holder for lightweight pots, air plants, or even dried flowers. Hang the frame on a garden wall, fence, or shed to create a rustic focal point. You can even paint the frame in soft weathered tones, or leave the wood raw for a truly vintage look. This is a great way to decorate small spaces, or bring interest to blank walls, using materials that are probably already gathering dust in your garage. Idea 5. Wine corks as natural bed edging, or decorative mulch. Wine corks might seem like a small throwaway item, but in a thoughtful garden, even the tiniest pieces can play a beautiful role. If you've got a jar of corks stashed away, or know a local cafe or friend who does, you've got the makings of a completely unique garden touch. Try lining them along the edges of raised beds or containers. You can press them halfway into the soil, in a tight row, creating a soft, natural-looking border that's not only functional, but full of charm. If you want something a bit more polished, glue them side by side onto a strip of wood or twine, and lay them around beds, like a flexible rustic trim. But corks don't just look good. They're useful too. Spread them loosely around the base of your plants, as a biodegradable mulch. They help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and over time break down gently into the soil. Unlike bark chips or straw, cork adds texture and a slightly unexpected flair. You can even go one step further and slice the corks into discs, then arrange them into patterns, as mini stepping pads, or decorative infills between paving stones. It's the kind of idea no one expects, but once they see it, they'll never forget it. Idea 6. Reuse old ceiling fan blades as garden signs or trellises. It's not every day you think of using ceiling fan blades in the garden, but once you see the potential, it's hard to unsee it. These long flat panels are surprisingly versatile, especially in rustic or repurposed garden spaces. Paint them in soft outdoor colors, like sage ivory or pale blue, and turn them into oversized plant markers. You can label them with the names of your veggies, herbs or flowers, then stake them directly into the ground, or prop them up against raised beds. Another option, attach a few together in a fan shape, and mount them to a fence or wall as a decorative trellis for lightweight vines. Because they're narrow and sturdy, they're great for sweet peas, morning glories, or clematis. You can often find ceiling fans being thrown away or sold for cheap at garage sales or second-hand stores, and most people never imagine the garden potential hiding in those blades. But in a timeless garden, we see beauty where others don't. It's functional, quirky, and guaranteed to be a conversation starter. Idea 7. Turn old cheese graters into hanging light holders or planters. Yes, cheese graters. Those old, slightly rusty, outdated ones you'd never use in the kitchen again. In a creative garden, they become artful little statement pieces. Stand them upright and place a solar tea light inside. The tiny holes will cast the most beautiful speckled light pattern across your garden table or patio at night. You can also hang them upside down from a tree branch or hook, threading a light bulb or candle inside for a soft industrial glow. Want to go even further? Line the inside with moss or coconut fiber and use them as mini wall planters. Trailing plants, like string of pearls or creeping jenny, look beautiful spilling from the base. Cheese graters are easy to find at thrift stores or tucked at the back of your own kitchen drawer. And once outside, they bring a surprising blend of rustic and edgy. Cheap? Absolutely. Common? Not even close. Idea 8. Use an old typewriter as a statement planter. It might sound unexpected, but an old typewriter, the kind you might find in a dusty attic, thrift store, or flea market, can become a stunning centerpiece in your garden. Not only does it bring deep vintage charm, it tells a story before you've planted a single thing. Clean it gently, leaving the worn keys and age marks. They add to the soul of the piece. Then carefully tuck moss and soil between the mechanisms, and plant small succulents, creeping thyme or tiny blooms like violas or alyssum. Because the structure is shallow, it's best for plants that don't require deep roots. Place it on a garden table, nestled under a tree, or on a vintage crate surrounded by potted flowers. It doesn't just decorate, it makes people pause, it makes them smile, and it brings a touch of poetry to your garden. Without a single word. It's not just reuse, it's reinvention, and it costs far less than any store-bought decor. Idea 9. Repurpose bicycle wheels into garden art or climbing frames. If you've got an old bicycle sitting in the shed, or spot one abandoned at a junkyard, don't toss the wheels. The circular frame, with its delicate metal spokes, makes for a gorgeous addition to your garden design. Hang a single wheel flat against a fence or wall. As rustic art, you can weave twine through the spokes and clip on dried herbs, flowers, or even handwritten garden quotes. For a more functional twist, stand one upright in a planter or garden bed, and let climbing plants like beans, peas, or sweet peas curl their way up the spokes. You can also hang several wheels at different heights from a tree or pergola, letting them spin gently in the breeze, like vintage wind sculptures. It's whimsical, it's thoughtful, and it turns something forgotten into something unforgettable. Idea 10. Vintage teapots as whimsical water features or flower pots. There's something irresistibly nostalgic about an old teapot, especially when it finds a second life in the garden. You can often find them for just a few coins at thrift shops or hidden in the back of your own cupboard. If you want to go simple, just fill one with soil and tuck in something dainty, like trailing lobelia, miniature roses or thyme. Place it on a step, a shelf or a stack of vintage books in a dry garden corner, for that storybook feel. Feeling a little more adventurous, convert the teapot into a mini water feature. Hide a small solar fountain pump inside, and let water gently trickle from the spout into a basin below, creating the softest, most soothing garden soundtrack. It's elegance on a shoestring, and the kind of detail that makes your garden feel enchanted. Old teapots are a symbol of gathering, of warmth, of taking pause, and that energy translates beautifully into your garden. Idea 11. Old window frames as garden dividers or trellises. An old wooden window frame, with or without glass, can become a gentle romantic structure in your garden. Lean one against a fence, hang it from a tree, or stand it between flower beds, to give the illusion of a room in your outdoor space. You can drape climbing vines through the open panes, think jasmine, clematis or ivy, letting nature slowly blur the lines between what was once inside and what is now blooming outside. Or, use it as a subtle divider between zones. Maybe herbs on one side, flowers on the other. It gives a sense of structure, of story, like your garden has chapters instead of just space. Paint it in a soft, worn color if you'd like, or leave it weathered and raw. Either way, it brings a soft architectural feel that costs next to nothing, especially if you rescue the window from a renovation site, salvage yard, or even the side of the road. Idea 12. Stack vintage drawers as tiered planters. Old wooden drawers, from a broken dresser, a flea market find, or even curbside treasure, can be transformed into stacked tiered planters that add dimension and soul to any garden corner. Place the largest drawer at the bottom, then gradually stack smaller ones on top at slight angles. Fill each drawer with a different kind of plant, trailing flowers, herbs, succulents, or even leafy greens. You can tuck moss between the edges, or let thyme spill over the sides for a more natural feel. The worn handles, chipped paint, and old joints just add to the charm. And if you're feeling creative, you can stencil plant names, or little quotes across the drawer fronts for a more personalized touch. This layered look creates height, texture, and an instant focal point, all with pieces that would have otherwise gone to waste. A true celebration of reuse, storytelling, and quiet beauty. Idea 13. Turn old rain boots into playful garden pots. Those worn-out rain boots sitting by the back door. Don't toss them, plant them. Whether they're bright and bold or soft and faded with time, they make wonderfully quirky containers that bring a smile to any garden corner. Simply drill a few holes in the soles for drainage, fill them with soil, and pop in flowers like marigolds, pansies, or even ornamental grasses. You can line them up along a pathway, place them on a step, or hang them on a fence for a vertical burst of color. Even mismatched pairs add charm, especially if you let them weather naturally. They're particularly lovely in children's gardens, or by entryways where they feel both nostalgic and playful. It's one of those ideas that turns clutter into character, and turns your garden into a storybook scene. Idea 14. Use a broken wooden chair as a flower throne. If you have an old wooden chair that's seen better days, maybe the seat is damaged or the backrest is wobbly, don't throw it out. Turn it into a whimsical flower throne for your garden. Remove the seat entirely, and place a round flower pot or wire basket in the opening. Fill it with cascading blooms like petunias, trailing ivy, or sweet alyssum. You can paint the chair in soft pastels, or let the natural wood weather over time, for that vintage garden feel. Place it among your flower beds, at the end of a garden path, or even on your porch as a welcoming statement piece. It draws the eye, sparks conversation, and adds a touch of storybook fantasy, all without spending a penny. Even a chair that can no longer be sat on, can still stand beautifully in the garden. Idea 15. Turn an old birdcage into a hanging garden feature. An old metal birdcage, whether found at a thrift shop or in storage, makes an enchanting centerpiece when brought into the garden. Its open structure and delicate lines are perfect for creating a dreamy little hanging planter or decorative accent. Line the inside with coconut coir or moss, then add potting soil, and nestle in some cascading plants, like fuchsias, trailing lobelia, or baby's breath. Hang it from a tree branch, shepherd's hook, or pergola beam, and let the plant spill out like a floral waterfall. You can also place a candle or small solar light inside for a romantic glow in the evenings. Whether it's planted or simply styled, a birdcage brings vintage elegance and soft whimsy, like something out of a secret garden. It's a gentle reminder that beauty can bloom in the most unexpected places. And there you have it, my dear. 15 simple, soulful, and beautifully unexpected ways to transform your garden, using items you already have or can find for next to nothing. Each idea is a gentle reminder that you don't need a big budget to create a space that feels magical. Just a little creativity, a touch of patience, and a whole lot of heart. So whether it's a forgotten drawer, a rusty birdcage, or an old rain boot, don't be so quick to throw it away. In a timeless garden, everything has the chance to bloom again. If you found even one idea today that made you smile, I'd love for you to join our growing garden family. Tap that like button, share this video with someone who loves a bit of rustic beauty, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Timeless Garden for more soulful garden inspiration every single week. Your garden tells your story. Let's keep writing it together.